Very good morning, friends. So, I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Well, as a part of the Did You Know series, I was talking on Indes 103, and there is another very interesting issue which comes to the mind is there is a deferred consideration and there is a contingent consideration. Sometimes we tend to get confused in terms of what is the difference between the two. And what is the value at which we consider the deferred consideration and the contingent consideration? Let's find out. अनअकैडमी पर जो बच्चे अपने नवंबर 21 और मई 22 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन अगर आप 6 मंथ्स की लेते हैं तो उस पर 1 मंथ एक्स्ट्रा सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री, और अगर आप 12 मंथ्स की लेते हैं तो उस पर भी बम्पर ऑफर 2 मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा फ्री, यानी 6 + 1 7 और 12 + 2 14। तो आप अपने नवंबर 21 और मई 22 की तैयारी कर सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन में 1 मंथ और 2 मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा। और ऑफ कोर्स एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट्स के लिए आप मेरा कोड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं CAKB10। Let me tell you, as far as deferred consideration is concerned, it is something which is certainly payable in the future. But as far as a contingent consideration is concerned, it is dependent upon a particular factor. So which means it may or may not be payable. But at the same time, the interesting part is that whether it is a deferred consideration, we consider the present value of the future amount. That means we consider the fair value in the calculation of the consideration transfer. Similarly, when it comes to a contingent consideration, we do consider the fair value. So irrespective whether it's a deferred consideration or a contingent consideration, we consider the fair value as a part of the consideration transferred. But the main line of distinction is deferred consideration is something which is certainly payable in the future, and contingent consideration is something which may or may not be payable in the future. Otherwise, we consider the fair value of both as a part of the consideration transfer.